12th Biobotany, Chapter 6, Principles of Ecology. In this part, we are going to learn about ecological hierarchy, habitat and niche, ecological equivalence. Ecology is the study of relationship between living organisms and the environment. Living organisms depend on environment. This relationship is dealt with ecology. Living organisms interact with the non-living environment. These interactions lead to the establishment of grouping of organisms. Organisms are grouped based on their interactions with the environment. This grouping is called as ecological hierarchy. Hierarchy means grouping into smaller group and again larger and largest groups. This ecological hierarchy is also called as ecological levels of organization. In the ecological hierarchy or ecological levels of organization, the lowest level is individual organism. Individual organism is the lowest level of hierarchy. When similar type of organisms come under the same species, form a group, that is population. Members of the same species living in a particular area form a population. When this is deer population. When different populations live in a particular area, that is called as community. Here different populations are there, they form a community. When the community and the non-living environment together form, the community and non-living environment together form ecosystems. There are different kinds of ecosystems: grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. When many ecosystems occupy different vast area, a large area occupied by many ecosystems is landscape. Here forest ecosystem is there, grassland ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, and many ecosystems occupy a wide area, that is landscape. Biome is nothing but similar ecosystems found in different geographical area, even different continents. Desert is a biome, it is found in different continents. Grassland is another biome, it is found in different continents. And all the biomes of the earth together form the biosphere. So interaction of living organisms with the environment results in the arrangement of organisms. This arrangement is called as ecological hierarchy. Here the lowest level is individual organism. There are two branches of ecology: autoecology and synecology. Autoecology is called as species ecology. It is the ecology of an individual species. Synecology is community ecology. It is the ecology of a population or community with one or more species. This is individual species ecology. This is population or community ecology. And due to the advancement in ecology, some advanced fields have been developed. They are molecular ecology, ecotechnology, statistical ecology, environmental toxicology. This is a habitat, this is another habitat, this is another habitat. This is entirely different from the previous three habitats. The living place of an organism is called as habitat. The physical space occupied by an organism is called as a habitat. This animal occupies this space, so this is the habitat of the camel. Niche is the functional role played by an organism in a particular habitat. This is a tree. The three species have same habitat, but they have different functional role. One feeds at the top of the tree, another feeds at the middle of the tree, another feeds at the bottom of the tree. All the three species have same habitat, but they have different ecological role. One feeds at the top of the tree, another middle, another bottom of the tree. So this ecological role played by an organism is called as niche. It may be feeding habit or particular behavior and various aspects of an organism. Now let us see the differences between habitat and niche. A specific physical space occupied by an organism is habitat. Aquatic, terrestrial, desert, and various habitats are there. A functional space occupied by an organism in the same ecosystem is niche. It may be a feeding habit or competition or particular behavior. Same habitat may be shared by many organisms or many species. For an example, grassland is occupied by grasses, grasshopper, frogs. A single niche is occupied by a single species. The niche of frog is carnivorous, grasshopper is herbivorous. The particular niche is occupied by a single species. Habitat specifically is exhibited by an organism. Habitat specificity is exhibited by an organism. A camel has its own habitat, a specific habitat. Polar bear has a specific habitat. Organisms may change their niche with time and season. Due to change in the surrounding or change in the availability of the food, the organisms may change their niche with time and season. Owls and cats are not similar organisms. One cat is a mammal, owl is a bird, but they have some equal. They are equal in particular aspects. Both feed on rats, but in different places. Cats are domestic organisms. Owls feed the cats from desert or forest. So this kind of organisms are called as ecological equivalents. Epiphytes are plants which grow on the branches of other trees. Epiphytes are found in Western Ghats of India. Epiphytes are also found in South America, but these two groups of epiphytes are different. They are two different groups. They are ecological equivalents because they have epiphytic habit. They grow on other plants. Here let us see another ecological equivalent. Grass species are found on Western Ghats of India and the grasslands of North America, but these two groups of grasses are different, but they are ecological equivalents because both the groups are producers in the ecosystem. Ecological equivalents are different species occupy different geographical area but showing a common function.